Hi, Lee Phillips here. I'm doing a lot of these YouTubes and I enjoy them. Somebody made a request that we do a step-by-step for how to do a durable power of attorney. And if you have a request, fine, send it in to us. I'm more than happy to entertain it. If I know anything, I will do something on it. The problem is my ignorance is profound. At any rate, durable powers of attorney. They're basically boilerplate documents. And so the step-by-step isn't going to be too detailed in that there aren't a lot of steps. First, you have to decide who's going to be your agent, the guy who actually goes in and manages things when you can't manage it for yourself. They're your agent. And that's usually the kids. I'll do a trust and a durable power of attorney for people, and I say, okay, who do you want to be the trustee? And they name so-and-so. Couple of choices. Who do you want to be the agent? Same guy? Hell no. I don't want them. They'd pull the plug on me. So you want somebody who is reasonable at business management. The trustee needs good business management. But you want somebody who's also compassionate and who will care about your feelings and what you want. So the agent has healthcare stuff, and then they do the stuff that the trustee doesn't do. The trustee manages everything that the trust owns, but there are lots of things that the agent has to do. Turn the power on and off. Do the cell phone. By the way, you don't turn Dad's cell phone off when he dies. You need it for the double verification now. There are just lots of things that aren't in the trust that need to be done on your behalf. So that's the agent's job. Pick the agent. Pick 2 or 3 choices, because we're going to list first choice, second choice, third choice. Okay? If this guy can't do it, then the next one's going to do it. Then you need the language, the boilerplate, for the durable power of attorney. And I've got about 35, 40 pages of durable power of attorney language. Some of the powers of attorney are very short, and they simply say, the agent can do anything the state lets him do. Anything under Utah code section or Wisconsin code section or whatever it is, such and such and such and such. And the states all have a list of things that powers that the agent can exercise. I'd rather see you list them all out. And like I say, it's going to take 30, 40 pages. I've had people go down to the bank and they say, it's not listed specifically in the 40 pages, and we have to come back and make an amendment to the power of attorney. So the banks, the people, they want to see that specific power actually stated. This guy has this authority. And you can throw in everything the state has. The durable power of attorney is, like I say, boilerplate. It's pretty much standard state, state, state. Florida's given us a little twist in that the agent has to have the ability to act now. All the other states, the agent is given what we call a springing power of authority. It springs into existence when the individual is declared incompetent. And there should be a provision in the power of attorney that says how we're going to determine that this guy's incompetent. The spouse signs a statement, each one of the kids sign a statement. The pastor signs a statement. 2 doctors sign a statement. I usually have the spouse, the kids, and 1 doctor sign the statement that says Dad's out of it. We activate the power of attorney. More often than not, I have the kids come in, Mom, Dad getting a little dementia, and so they come in and they want us to activate the power of attorney now. And we can do that. We can activate it and give the agent authority, even though Mom isn't totally incompetent yet. So that'll be in there. So you're going to sign it, witness it. I usually have the witnesses witness the power of attorney for health care and the general durable power of attorney also. And I have the witnesses' signatures and the agent's signatures all notarized, and you're the principal is what we call you. So we have your signature and the witnesses. The agent doesn't sign it until they activate. But we have them notarized. That's what's called a self-proving provision. And most of the states are pretty good about the powers of attorney. California makes you sign a new one every, I think it's 5 years. So if you've got an old power of attorney, probably let's do a new one. If it's 10, 15 years old, do a new one, because they just like to see the new one. They like to make sure that you haven't changed your mind 10 times in between 1987 and today. So keep them kind of up to date, rotate them every once in a while, sign a new one. It can be the same thing, but they just want to see a new date on it. So you're going to figure out who you're going to have as your agent. You're going to get the boilerplate document. You're going to have everybody sign it up, put the names in the proper places, asks for the agent, your name goes in, I'm doing the power of attorney, I'm the principal, that sort of thing. Sign it, notarize it, witness it. Now that may be belts and suspenders. Some states don't require witnesses on the power of attorney, just a signature. Some even don't require a notary. But let's do it. We're going to wear belts and suspenders, okay? You don't file it anywhere. Once it's signed, it's in the file cabinet, and you forget about it until it's needed. So the power of attorney is really pretty easy. There isn't a lot of step-by-step stuff. I have powers of attorney for you in my accumulation and preservation of wealth set. Yeah, write to me and I'll give you the power of attorney for $25 or something. Let's say that. That's a deal. How does that sound? Now don't forget to like us and love us and all the rest of the stuff. Can't remember what else I need to say in these things, but thanks for being with me. This is Lee Phillips talking about the step-by-step on a durable power of attorney.